and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. Here I would like to make a wheel for our BMW Z4. In this lesson I did it in, it's not an episode of BMW, but you can use this wheel for your BMW Z4. You can find it in my website kama9.com or my channel. Let's make a new part here or new file, and I will in the last of this I'll add a short video to explain to you how to add this wheel for your BMW Z4. Let's start with a circle with 26 of diameter. Thus I will try to explain this step by step. As you can see here, for the beginner, I can tell you 100% you can make it easily. Okay, let's add a new sketch here. The method is just add the sketch, then add dimension and constraint. Now we have a new version of Fusion 360 that the constraints are not in the sketch palette, but they add the constraint on the panel. That's great and easy to use. The shortcut for dimension is the D. That's, as you can see, we have not the constraint here. Just go to the panel. That's, you will find here the horizontal. Make it horizontal or vertical. As you can see, this point and this point, it will have horizontal with the origin. Okay, as you can see, you can snap, okay, to the gray, but it's not important here because I will add some dimensions. Okay, as you can see here, you can make coincidence and press D to have dimension between these. I will put 3 millimeter and 3 millimeter here, or it's just a dimension. It's not 3 millimeter or whatever you want, because the goal here is how to make a wheel with Fusion. It's unreal to use 3 millimeter here. Okay, I understand that. You can leave it like this, or if you want to add dimension between these, is not a problem. As you can see here, this sketch is finished. Finish your sketch and go to the create. Use the revolve feature and select all of these three profile. Use this axis, return it with 360 degrees and validate here. As you can see, you have the first result of the second feature. Let's go ahead and select the right plane here. Yes, the right plane. Here I will add another sketch here. Just I will sketch four line here. I will add a degree between these. And we'll add another line here. Okay. When you do this, add 20 degree here. Here, and from the center make 45. When you do this, just project this one and go ahead, press pause with Q. Return your model like this, then select two of this one, make symmetric. No, as you can see, that's not the best result. To edit, just right click, edit feature. We'll return to the last feature. Okay, as you can see here, I want to select another profile and the result is good like this one. Now I will press F to add a fillet here with 1.7. When you did this one, you have just to repeat this feature. Okay, you have just to go to the not the rectangular pattern. You will find it in create. Go to the pattern here and circular pattern. For the tip, select feature, and for the object, as you can see here, select the two features. For the axis, select the X axis, and for the quantity, make 5. Press OK, and you have the first result. You can leave your your wheel here like this one, or if you want to add another detail, I will continue make a detail. Okay, but for you, if you want to make this like well, leave it like this. Let's add line here from the center. When you add this one, you can project this arc. As you can see, you can find the center of the arc, as you can see here. Here you can make construction for this line. As you can see here, you can add another line here, but I want to project this circle, then find the coincidence of this one. A line here, another here. For this, you have two methods. You can use an angle between these and other, or you can create a symmetric for this one. For me, I will put 12 for each of them. Here, when you finish off this, return your model like this one, and you can cut and use symmetric. As you can see here, you have two branches, either one. Then now the same method, you can use F to have fillet here. As you can see here, put 0.5. The same method, you can repeat this one. Just select the two features, use Control, and go to Create Pattern, Circular Pattern. Everything is alright here. Feature, select the axis like this, and put 5 for the quantity. As you can see here, you have a nice result. Now I will add another like a tire. Okay, I don't want to create an assembly, but for me, I will add some detail before to go to this one. You can select all of these or select only one. As you can see, you can put here 5, and you have this like a result. Press OK, and press F again to have a fillet. And now you have to select one by one these edges and put 0.8. As you can see, you have a nice result here. Press OK. I will add fillet here with 0.2. Select all of these edges. Now return your model and draw a circle here with 22. Finish your sketch. As you can see, you can select the two of this profile and click and drag with 8. Of course, I don't want to add more detail here because it takes too time. It's not the goal. The goal is how to make a wheel or rim with a tire in Fusion 360. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like it, and make a thumbs up if you find this tutorial helpful. Now I will create another component. This component, I will use it like a tire, okay? Make 29 in the diameter, and you can select this edge and project it. Now you have the profile. Select your profile, use Q and click and drag in this direction, make -13. Once you finish this one, press OK, and now you can add a fillet here. And if you want a big tire, you can just make a 32 on the diameter, okay? Here for the fillet you can put 0.95. And I don't want to add many detail of the tire. I will add this detail in another tutorial. If you have, or if you want to add more detail, please leave me a comment. I will do it for you. Now all the wheel is okay. We have only just add here holes for five hole here, but I want to be on this direction. Just I want to show the sketch. Yes, is this one. Show this sketch, and you can project it. Just select the okay, like this one. We have 1.5 on the diameter. And when you project it, you can make you can add constraint between these, and the distance, not like this one, the distance from the center of the wheel, okay, like this one, aligned 2.5. all things is right here. You have only to select all of this and Control Q to have press pull. Now you can select all of these. Okay, sorry for the sound, is the battery. Sorry. The same thing, you have only to select the feature. Or before this, I'll add a fillet here with 0.3, but please just press Ctrl to select another edge here. Okay, once you finish this, you have to you have only to select the two of the features and repeat it with circular pattern. Select axis here, and for the quantity is 5 because we have 5 branches. As you can see here, you have nice result. Okay, we arrived to the finish or to achieve the wheel, but now we have to put it or export it to our car. For this, all things is alright. You have just to save it as the name wheel. Okay, just save it, make wheel for the name, and press save. Like this, click save, and now I will insert it. Here you can open up your car and verify. Just select this body, and as you can see here, we can hide it, or if you want to delete it, now you can right click on the wheel, insert it, or import it on your document. As you can see, just move it on the right position. See from the front, just use this arrow and make a position. As you can see, it's too easy to use Fusion here and insert it on the right position. Select this one and the body 113, you can hide it and see the nice result. Now, as you can see here, you have this like a component. You can create another component, or you have a nice method here is to move it and copy. You have only check create to copy and move it on the right position, and you have the copy of the first component like this one. From the top is okay, and for the two of the or on the other side, you have to use symmetry or mirror. As you can see here, I will looking for this body. I will hide it. Sorry. You have a nice result here. I will select the two of this component. Okay. And use the mirror feature. See here. And for the mirror plane, you have to select the right plane. And you have the two of the wheel in the other side. Just select this body and hide them. And I can tell you thank you for watching. And if you have any question, see the result is the better result for the BMW Z4. People don't have make or model this car. You can go to my website and find all the episode, or in YouTube episode. See you next tutorial.